Hey guys, I'm back. Okay. So I know you guys are wondering, like, where the hell you been at, man? Well, for those of you who know me and know my life, I told you I have a baby on the way. My wife is 8 months pregnant and a half now, and our baby's about to be here. Baby girl, couple weeks, gonna be here. So cut me some slack, guys. I've been doing some family stuff, and I'm just walking around outside like a madman right now. But anyways, so I have something for you guys. All right, I got a cool little tip for you guys. Now, seeing how Q4 is pretty much over, right? What is the number one category to sell in right now on Amazon? Besides toys and stuff, because toys was cool during Q4. You can make $1 million off of toys. We all know, $1 zillion, right? Okay, so now the number one category to spin, not to spin, the number one category to sell in my opinion, that I know that does well because I make a killing on it, Q4 or not Q4, whatever, right? And that is soccer moms. Yes, soccer moms. What are soccer moms? My definition, just the moms that have, kids into sports, and they just do it all. Moms, they cook, they clean, they, washing clothes, whatever they do, right? These moms spend money all the time on what? Dun dun dun. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, guys. You see that? Dollar Tree. So, I'm at the local Dollar Tree. You see? I just bought some sponges, some other stuff, but this is what I want to talk to you guys about. Remember how I was telling you guys that the number one category is soccer moms. Right? Check this out, guys. Let me find it really quick. I should have had this prepared. Okay, so look, I scanned these in Dollar Tree, right? It's a pack of 24 sponges. These are the exact sponges right here, but they only come in a pack of 6. So I have to buy 4 of them, all right? And bundle them together. I tape them together, and I sell them as one pack. And this is going to make me, let's see how much profit. $2.70 profit for each bundle that I make. And I only spend $4. So that's over 50% ROI. It's closer to like 60, 70. I don't know. You guys do the percentage, but it's over 50%. It's not 100%, but it's still very good seeing how these are recurrent items. These are items you can buy all year round. These are items that are not going anywhere. These are items that by default people keep buying over and over again, because you're not going to keep a sponge for that long. You're not going to keep one sponge for like months and months because that's just gross, right? Plain out gross. So people change these items all the time. So why I only have 4 is because I already bought all of them, and I just went in to see if they restocked. They didn't restock yet, so I bought the last 4 again. Usually I have a trunk load of these sponges, right? Make me good money, guys. So quick tip, items like that, and there's more. I just gotta have a baby shower today. I have to get going. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick one for you guys. I haven't posted anything, but these are the items you want to get. Recurring items, okay? These are recurring items, guys, by default. So what's up, entrepreneurs? I'm back. So yeah, that was just a quick, as you can see, I'm in something totally different wardrobe, because I shot that video yesterday. And then yesterday night we actually had the baby shower, which was crazy. We got a bunch of gifts. Well, all of them are in the room, but this is some of the leftovers. Big old bear for my little baby girl. I don't know how she's gonna play with that thing. That thing is huge. It's gonna crush. She's gonna be scared of that thing when it come out. But anyways, yeah. So that's just a quick way, guys. And it obviously is way more items in the dollar store that you can find. Just go in there and scan, guys. That's what I recommend. Go in and scan. You can literally make a killing off of just doing that alone, hitting up all the Dollar Trees or dollar stores in your area, getting all the same products, send them in, and sit back and chill and watch the money come in. Now, of course, some of the things I haven't talked about on this channel yet, I've been just showing you guys retail arbitrage, retail arbitrage, retail arbitrage because I know it's a great way to start off with Amazon. But then I didn't tell you guys, I never really talked about how to, or what you guys should do to invest your money after doing stuff, like after you start making a little bit of income, right? So for me, I made a killing this year doing retail arbitrage, right? Made a few grand per week. It's been awesome. So what I've been doing is testing markets with my money, not Bitcoin. Not for me, not Bitcoin, not for me. You guys can have fun, but not for me. But anyways, not saying anything bad about it. But anyways, like I said, I've been using my money to do stuff like Shopify, guys. Shopify is huge. I think I think it was like 1 or 2 days alone. I could be wrong, so don't judge me when I say this, but I got to look at the research again. But I think Shopify did $1 billion in Q4 alone. Which is insane. $1 billion in sales. Shopify, people that sell on Shopify. So yeah, and I'm one of those people that's been actually getting involved with that as well. It's going, I'm making some money, but not what I want to yet. But it will. I'm starting to scale up. I'm just starting to learn different things that I didn't know before. This stuff is stuff I had to learn on my own because the gurus really don't tell you all the secrets, but I'm going to tell you guys all the secrets once I get it right. So right now I'm just testing different things. So why did I choose Shopify and not just private label products and Amazon like everyone knows about? Because everyone knows about private label products, and I'm going at it with a different approach. What I'm trying to do now is build my own personal brand, my own brand on Shopify, kind of get it a little bit of buzz, and then take that same brand to Amazon. Okay, so if you guys understand what I'm doing, if you know what I mean, basically I'm taking, like I said, my own brand, my own website, my own Shopify store, and I'm doing things to build my own brand. And once my brand gets a little bit of buzz, from influencers, using influencer shout-outs, that's a little bit of my marketing, influencer shout-outs. Facebook, a little bit. I got other crazier ways to really get your page notified. And once you do these, your page will get seen many times per day. It's just all about having the right page and having the right material on that page. But I'm not going to get into Shopify, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a brief heads up on what's to come on the channel. You know what I mean, guys? I told you. And forgive me for I have been gone for a little bit. My baby is going to be here very soon. You guys are going to meet my baby girl. Okay, so yeah. That being said, if you guys are struggling with retail arbitrage, don't worry. You will get it. Don't worry if you're scanning and you see a lot of restrictions. Don't worry. It happens like that for me. Still does to this day. I don't care anymore because I find so many products that aren't restricted that I can still make money on. Guys, this is not dying anytime soon. So just get out there and get into it. So toys, what I would say about toys, I'm not really a toy guy for retail arbitrage. I wasn't even really a toy guy during the Christmas season for retail arbitrage. I have bought toys. You guys have seen me get some toys, but that's not like my main thing. Recurring products is my main thing. Products that run out. Kitchen supplies, like I showed you, the sponges, right? Office supplies, pencils, little things, little weird corny things that people would be like, ew, like you sell that? Like, yeah, I sell that. I sell pencils. You know what I'm saying? Like, I sell sponges. So what, guys? Those are the items that people keep buying because a pencil runs out, a sponge gets dirty, you have to buy it again, right? So I like to go for items like that. So those are the items you guys should look for and just keep buying the same ones and send them in. I will spend $1,000 on sponges. I make me $500. If it's 50% ROI, a little bit over, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, right? So yeah, guys, just take that advice. Like I said, my bad that I haven't been here, but I have been dealing with some family stuff, cool family stuff. Yeah, but I'm back, and I got you guys. So make sure you like. Hey, I said make sure you like. I hate saying make sure you like. If we're cool, if we're friends, you're gonna subscribe. If we're friends, if you're my boy or you're my homegirl, you're gonna subscribe. We're friends. If we blood, if we family, you're gonna hit the bell. If you're neither, don't talk to me. I'm just playing, guys. Peace and love. I'm LeVar. Aviance, I see you till next time. I'm out. Peace.